Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So as y'all can see, we are back at Family Dollar. Yes, we had to come back because once again, we have our lovely 5 off of 25, 10 off of 50, and 20 off of 75 coupons. So we're going to do an all digital deal that anyone can do. All you have to do is load the same digital coupons that I'm going to use, buy the same products, enter your phone number in at the register and check out. So easy, so simple. So we're going to start off with some clearance items. And if you don't have clearance items in your store, no worries. I will have alternates that you can put into your scenario down below. It's going to work out to a great deal either way. I'm going to throw in some clearance items because I noticed that my store has quite a few that will help reduce our out of pocket. So definitely keep your eyes peeled in your store. So the clearance item that I'm going to start out with is going to be some of this Febreze. So I noticed that my store had quite a bit of the holiday items still in stock. Nobody has picked up this fresh cut pine, y'all. So I decided to get a price check on it. The single cans are actually $1.50, and we have a $3 off 2 digital coupon. So that's going to make these absolutely free. We love free items to go into our deal, so we're going to grab 2 cans of these first. The next 2 clearance items I am grabbing are 2 of the clearance toothpaste. So my store has the Optic White Platinum High Impact on clearance. Now it says it's supposed to be $3 down from $5, but I just did a price check on this and it's actually $2.50. And we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon, making this item only 50 cents. I also did a price check on this double pack of Crest. It says $3.86, but y'all, this is $2.50 as well. And we have a $2 off digital coupon, making the double pack only 50 cents. One more item that I see that I'm going to have to go price check because I don't know what the real price is this Tylenol PM. So this is $3.25. Y'all, we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. So I'm definitely adding this item as well. Okay, so now we're going to grab some Downy products. These are regular price $5, but they should be on sale for $4.50 this week. So I'm going to switch it up this week. I'm going to get 1 of the scent beads and 1 of the liquids. We're going to be using $1.50 off digital coupons on both of these. Next up, I'm going to get 2 bottles of Tide. So I'm going to get 1 of the bigger bottles. This is a 69-ounce bottles. You can also get the 75-ounce, I believe. They're regular price at $9.95, but this week they are on sale for $8.95. And we have a $2 off digital coupon. Then I'm going to grab 1 of the regular size bottles as well. I don't believe these are on sale this week, so I think they're $5.50, and we are going to use the $2 off digital for this one as well. Next up, I'm going to grab some Tide Pods. So these are $4.95. I'm going to use the $2 off 1 digital coupon. Next, let's grab a 40-ounce Gain liquid. So these are $3.95 on sale this week. We are going to use a $1 off 1 digital coupon. So next up, let's grab our paper products. So we're going to stock up on some paper products this week. We're going to get 2 of the Angel Soft first. So these are $5 regular price, but we have $1 off digital coupons. So we're going to get 2 of them and use 2 of those $1 off coupons. Then we're going to grab 1 of the Charmin. These are $5 regular price as well, and we are going to use our $1 off digital coupon. Now we're going to grab a Bounty Essentials paper towels. So these are $5.50, I hope, because there is 2 different price tags here. One says 6, one says 5 for the same product with the same number. So yeah, we'll see. I hope they're $5.50, and we are going to use the $1 off 1 digital coupon. Now we need to grab a filler item, which is going to be a razor. We need to get 1 of the $6 skin tints right here, and we are going to use the $4 off digital coupon. Next up, I'm going to grab a Kotex products. So you can grab the pads for $3.25, or you can come down here and you can grab the tampons for $3.50, whichever you prefer. We're going to grab 1 of these, and we are going to use our $2 off digital coupon. Okay, so I wanted my last item to be a Swiffer product, but y'all, I have determined that this store cannot have any Swiffers. There's none here. So I'm going to grab a bottle of Arm & Hammer instead. These are $3.95. I'm going to use the dollar off one digital coupon. Okay, you guys, so this is everything that we are grabbing in today's 20 off of 75 deal. So let's do a quick review of everything that we got. We got our Gain liquid laundry detergent, $3.95. We're going to use our $1 off digital. We have our Kotex at $3.25, $2 digital. We have our Charmin at $5, and we are going to use the dollar off digital. We have the Arm & Hammer at $3.95, $1 digital. Bounty at $5.50, hopefully $1 digital. We have two of the Downy products right here at $4.50, $1.50 off digital off each one of those. We have our Skintimate razors at $6, $4 digital. We have our big bottle of Tide. This is 69 ounces. It is $8.95. We are going to use the $2 digital. We have our two clearance Febreze, $1.50 each. We're going to use the $3 off 2 digital. We have our Tide regular. We are going to pay $5.50 for that, but we have a $2 digital. We have our clearance 2-pack Crest, $2.50. We're going to use a $2 digital. We have our Tylenol PM. So that says clearance for $3.25. I will find out how much that costs in just a second. We have a $2 digital. The Optic White Platinum also on clearance for $2.50. Going to use a $2 digital. The 2 packs of Angel Soft are $5 regular price. We are going to use a $1 digital. And then we have our Tide Pods for $4.95, $2 digital. Our total before any digital coupons are applied for all of these items, I've calculated to around $77.05. It could be a little bit less because of that Tylenol PM, so we'll see what that rings out for. So that's why I've kind of gone over just a little bit in this deal to make sure I have some room for cushion in case something rings out cheaper. So that puts us over the required threshold to use our 20 off of 75 coupon. So we're going to load that plus all of those other digital coupons. Let's go check out and see how much we pay. All right, you guys, so this came out beautifully. It was so good. Everything worked out super well. So let me focus in. There's our receipt. So there's our Angel Soft, $1 digital. So the Tylenol PM really was $3.25. So that worked out with the $2 digital. The Crest was $2.50, $2 digital. The Downy Infusions, $4.50, $1 digital. Our Colgate Optic Platinum, $2.50, $2 digital. Our Skintimate was $6, $4 digital. The Charmin was $5, $1 digital. The other Angel Soft was $5, $1 digital. The Bounty was $5.50, praise God, $1 digital. Here is the Tide for $5.50, $2 digital. The Arm & Hammer was $3.95, $1 digital. The Tide Big Tide was $8.95, $2 digital. The Tide Pods was $4.95, $2 digital. We had the Febreze for $1.50, and those were absolutely free. Look at that, y'all. So that $3 coupon split into 2 made those free, $1.50 with $1.50 deducted. The Gain liquid was $3.95, $1 digital. There's our other free Febreze. The Kotex was $3.25, $2 digital, and then the Downy was $4.50, $1.50 digital. And then the last coupon is our $20 off of 75, bringing our final out of pocket to $27.30. $27.30, y'all, for all of these items. So if you've made it this far in the video, the first thing that I want to tell you is thank you, because I cannot tell you how much it means to us as YouTubers for our analytics for you to watch to the end of the video. So thank you for actually watching the video this far. The second thing I want to tell you is that you are in luck because I am doing a Cash App giveaway for this video. Super easy Cash App giveaway that anyone can enter as long as you are a subscriber of the channel, you like this video, and that you tell me one thing down below that you struggle with when it comes to couponing or that you'd like to get better at when it comes to couponing. I want to sponsor someone's Family Dollar trip next week. So I want to sponsor someone doing a 20 off of 75 deal next week. So one winner will win $35 because I want to cover your haul plus plus any taxes. So you'll win $35 sent via Cash App, and I will announce that winner on 3/8 or 3/9. The giveaway will end 3/7 at 11:59 p.m. So thank you guys. Let's get back into the video and good luck. So we got a total of 18 items today, and we had a coupon savings of $50. We saved $50 on these 18 items, y'all. $27.30. I think that is so good for all of the paper products that we got. So yes, y'all, that wraps up another week at Family Dollar, and they're going to continue to give us these coupons for a couple weeks, I believe, so we can continue to do these deals. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and you know I will talk to you soon. Bye.